All cleaned up, looking a lot much better. So we back working on the Road King from Copart that I've been building. We finally got the new fresh chrome handlebars in the mail. These things sparkling, glistening. See, these other ones had a few little marks and scratches. So the owner said he wanted everything chromed out. That's what we doing. So now we got these. We're gonna have to take them to the house, take these, unwire them, and we wire them into these handlebars. Come back tomorrow and we're gonna throw it on the bike. But for now, we're about to disassemble the front end again so we can get them bars off. So stay tuned, let's get it. So as y'all can see, we went ahead and disassembled the handlebars. Got the handlebars off, and we got the hand controls and everything like the music off. So now we waiting to get that wheel from Chrome. New bar should be on tomorrow. Then we're gonna get that wraparound to the painter. But y'all see what's going on. We got the blue joint coming together. Clean up, make some space. We about to get this thing together real quick. Put that engine and transmission together, get them legs converted, and get that primary and everything else back on there. So, and also the paint. So let's get to it. Stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. About to pull that thing right up out of there and get it like this. So let's get to it. So now we got this thing out in the open. I don't know if y'all watched my other video, but I was saying the winner of this bike in Texas, it's an older guy I talked to. He said he liked the bike chrome. He's not a fan of black like that, really. So this bike I've been doing for a while. Already blacked everything out on this bike for the motor and everything else. As you can see, everything isn't on here, but it's like little stuff. I should be able to get another quick crash bar chromed out. The top covers and all that I blacked out, but luckily we have this extra motor. Motor's still for sale. I'm just changing the covers. I'm gonna put the chrome one on that motor, this chrome contrast cut intake too, and we're gonna put these chrome covers. Therefore, we could take off the black intake and the black covers. That way the guy will have something that he actually likes. And also that cam cover, we're gonna get that chrome one on there. So we're gonna try to do what we can, get everything chromed out so he can like it. And he'll be turned on to it. Then we're gonna take these black cans off. I'm gonna try to order some chrome legs. If they can come fast enough, we're gonna get them things on there. But I know with a lot of stuff I've been ordering for these other couple bikes, been taking a long time. I know COVID slowed everything down, but still, we're gonna get that on the road. Also, like the blacked out primary, we're not using that. I'm gonna use the chrome one, so we can give the people what they want, man. Did y'all see it? Let's get this thing going and get it on the road. What up, YouTube? We sliding. Me and my dog, huh, Ace?
Yeah.
He said he ain't working today. But yeah, we about to head to the shop. Gotta go run around, go to the powder coat shop, go to this chrome shop, check on this wheel, and a few other things. So stay tuned. About to slide around and get it in. And if you haven't entered for the 2017 HARLEY giveaway, man, please enter to win that bike if you could, man. This is a good opportunity to be out here on ground for summer. Summer about to be over, but it's coming right back around. And you can be right up on that joint, getting it in, man. So stay tuned. We sliding. See y'all in a minute, man. Let's put up. This thing's super dirty. About to wash this thing down real quick. Got this thing all cleaned up, looking a lot much better. Some way cleaner. Got to get this side fixed, but we looking good. This thing was dirty as hell, sliding. Man, this car was so dirty from sitting, I had to clean it. I cannot ride around dirty like that, especially around LA. That's how you'll be getting pulled over, looking like some little janky car about to go do something crazy. But, see, trash truck. But we sliding, about to hit this powder coat shop real fast and get to everything else, man. So stay tuned. You already know we sliding. So right now I'm headed to the dealer, trying to get to these people so I can get this part. We dropped the wheel off yesterday with the wheel bearing. The heck the police got going on? They got all the traffic held up. It's crazy. They having a walk-off. What the hell is going on? It's crazy, all these highway patrols. Oh, I know for sure I'm taking the street back. For sure. Pulling up the Harley. About to grab these parts. And my boy about to go slide to the dude to the chrome shop. Go check on his parts and mine. So we're about to do that real fast. So stay tuned. Put up in the shop. I had to come handle some things real fast. And I gotta go back and pull out, but I'm gonna be back as soon as I finish handling what I gotta do real quick. But y'all see what's going on. When I got some packages in the mail, had to bring it. I love this blue and how it's looking. It's looking so nice and unique. It's crazy. That black with that blue look good. Then we got the giveaway bike. This thing is about to be coming completely back together. So stay tuned for that. You already know what's going on. So stay tuned, y'all. We're about to get this work. I don't know if everybody was catching on yesterday on the video when I was saying on the giveaway bike that basically I just did. The guy who won said he liked chrome over the black. So I told him what I could do chrome. I'm gonna try to get that for him and keep the bike still in progress so we can hurry up and get it to Texas for him. So now basically where we at with this bike. Instead of the black legs, I'm putting the other original ones. We're gonna take all these blacked out brackets for the bags and this. We're gonna pop all that off. Gonna put the chrome stuff on here. That way we can have this thing nice and shined up. Get that on its way. Now I already told you I'm gonna swap out the breather for a chrome one. Got the chrome covers, chrome cam cover and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. You already see what's going on. So we're about to try to get this joint together, get this thing on the road, man. So we're gonna be sliding, coming together just like that blue joint. And this one almost done, y'all. I went to the powder coat shop earlier. They were still working, but that headlight should be on there for sure tomorrow with the handlebars blacked out. So stay tuned for that. This thing should be on its way this week. This bike should be complete the next day or so. So until then, we grinding our life away, man. So let's get to it. finally went ahead, got the primary on there. It's not fully complete, but I got the main part done. I gotta really get my dad his drill back where he fucked me up. But I got this all back on here compressed. I gotta just put the tensioner, and we gotta put that bolt with that little sealant, and we are coming together, y'all. Y'all see what's going on. This thing is about to be back on the road, looking good. So stay tuned. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see how we coming, man. We're making it happen. Working. So stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm about to slide up out of here. So that's a wrap, man. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow when I get this motor fully in here and some other work done. So stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. And if you haven't got you a sliding beanie, go ahead and get you some Drip by Dre. That way you can be sliding up on that young red and blue bike out here hitting some corners, man.